Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Got a couple of inboxes. And people ask me, well, why don't you do breakfast? Or why haven't you done any desserts? I have done, I think, maybe one breakfast. And that was eggs, some potato tots, and some corned beef hash patties. Alright? And you can find that. Look for that on We in the Kitchen. Or you can find it on Curtis Roundtree TV. But I'm definitely going to do a couple of desserts. Now, I did a banana nut loaf. I also did some cookies. I did some oatmeal raisin cookies. I got a recipe for some donuts that I may do. We do simple, easy, and affordable meals here on We in the Kitchen. But leave a comment below and let me know what type of desserts you got on your mind that you would like to see on We in the Kitchen again, or on Curtis Roundtree TV, my YouTube channel. I know there's a lot of noise earlier from where I was at is because I was getting some tires put on the car. Now I'm at Presto. Many of you know it as AJ Food Mart. At one point, Presto had the best hot dogs in the East Coast. Wide awake, where you at? We got the Presto all beef hot dogs. All the way, people. Mustard, ketchup, chili, onions. That's the only way to get it. We about to try one of these dogs out. Still got that nice, strong chili smell. You know how that chili smell. And we're getting ready to get into it. Yeah, man. Okay. If you enjoy Presto hot dogs, leave a comment below and let me know if you still buy them. I think they're pretty good. Here it go. Wait a minute. Okay. Alright, Presto, y'all still got it? Leave a comment below and let me know if you still buy these Presto hot dogs. I like it. They pretty much still taste the same. Do y'all still eat these? Yeah. I think they're still the same. Presto, y'all still got it? You know, it's kind of bittersweet for me out here at the AJ Mini Mart, aka Presto, is because my son got killed out here. So, you know, I took a moment, you know, to get myself together. Rest in peace, little Kurt.